So what is a foreign source? And this is very key. This is a very important thing for you to completely understand. Foreign source includes the government of any foreign country or territory or its agency, an international agency, a foreign company where more than 51% of the shareholding is by any foreign institution or individual, and a citizen of a foreign country. This is the important part, citizen of a foreign country. Now here is where you need to clearly understand the difference between what is an NRI, a PIO or an OCI, and this is very key for you. Monies coming from an NRI, even from a foreign bank in a foreign currency, is not foreign contribution. Why? Because an NRI simply means a non-resident Indian, meaning the person is still Indian passport holding and has not taken on citizenship of a foreign country. Classic example are Indians who are, let us say, in the Gulf countries. You are in Dubai, you are in Sharjah, you are in Oman, wherever else. You are not a citizen of that country. So even if you have sent it from the Bank of Oman, in whatever the currency there is, it is not foreign contribution, because that person is an Indian. He is not a citizen of a foreign country. But let us say here is a person who is sitting here in India 6 months of the year, but is a citizen of, let's say, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. That is a foreign source. So even if that person is 6 months here in India, gives in Indian rupees from an Indian bank, being a citizen of a foreign country, that is foreign contribution. So I repeat again, currency, geographical area, immaterial. The test is citizen of a foreign country. So classically it can happen. Here is the man, 6 months of the year he sits in India. He is giving from Indian bank in Indian rupees. Why am I to take it in foreign contribution? Because he is a citizen of a foreign country. Whereas here there is somebody who is 20 years in Dubai, sending it from the Bank of UAE in the currency from there, and yet that is not a foreign contribution. So this is the clarity which the new act has completely brought for us in terms of what is a foreign source.